I know Aaron Brown in New York is going wild right now, waiting to see Vicky drop in with 3 minutes to go.
There it is. It was on top form yesterday for semifinals. Hopefully it's going to be the same today.
Look how smooth. That was so fluid right there. Wow.
That's the same with Vicky. He's been reinventing himself over and over, and he's had such an incredible bag of tricks. I think that's the one rider I know that can do all the tricks that exist. You know, he has so much possibilities, and sometimes he's even freestyling it. That's the hard thing, you know. When he's out of confidence, he just goes for it, and it flows out of him. Since he's had so much experience and so many tricks under his belt. And right now he's having a blast of a run. His first minute is just perfect for him.
Yeah, Vicky is such a creative rider on and off his bike. You could actually see his entire life come together on his Instagram. If you give him a follow, it's VIKI Gomez BMX.
That's a really hard one right there, the bar flip.
Where Vicky's got some really cool, unique photo projects. You can see him riding around in his hometown and also around the globe, where he just brings really cool style. And Ryan, that's what you and I always talk about in the BMX park, where someone can take a trick and really make it their own. And we're seeing the control out of Vicky doing that right now as he rounds with 1 minute and 30 to go.
Yeah, really creating that individuality there is as well a unique way of doing this.
Yes, saving that one combo, going all the way. He had a little more planned, but still nailing it, and that's what counts for the judges. Another 1 minute on that clock, a little over 1 minute.
Now, Gomez, definitely a veteran of the sport, and you could just see that in his approach out here. Very cool, calm, collected. Even in his subtle little movements, you could just see he's completely in control.
Yes, you can tell he's really been working on his mental side of things lately, you know, the last 2-3 years, I'd say. And some of these guys are getting into mental coaching, you know, because at some point, technique is not enough. You got to go above that plateau that you might encounter doing your tricks or learning new tricks.
Well, with that experience, though, you know, he is a 6-time world champion. He also has won 2 European X Games gold medals.
Yes, look at that full bar spin steamroller.
Wow, and he's definitely a favorite among his peers because on the Rider 1 event of a Cup, he has 3 of them to his name.
Yes.
Wow, look at this
incredible
control.
link this one.
Right there was that kick flip, was just incredible.
Just no hands into that.
Going cross
that
with
was
it. Checker out. What a link.
He looked impressed with that one as well.
Yes, looking at the clock, he knows he's got to go for it. That's going to be out. And that's it, finishing with a bang, Vicky style. He's happy, you can tell. He's had a good run.